Okay, love bugs, today is a very special day for me. Today is my girls' recital. Now, this is Dakota's 4th recital and this is Dominic's 3rd recital, but this is the hardest they've worked in a season to put together the pieces. They each are in 6 6 performances in the show. So I'm super excited, super nervous. I volunteered to be a mom who helps out with the tiny girls in my girls group, switch out of their costumes and stuff like that. So I have a very busy day ahead, but I wanted to make sure that I was beautiful and snatched, and I am going to be looking super fly, and I'm going in style courtesy of Luvme Hair. They sent over this beautiful body wave frontal and I love her so much. It was set as a curved side part, and I'm gonna go ahead and say that this definitely was a great option. I did add a little baby hair. You can definitely do without that, but this is gonna be a very simple, easy, glueless install courtesy of this product here, which is a hairspray, not a glue. I touched up a few curls, but honestly the curls were already ready to go. So if you want to see how we got this look, let's get started. Okay, ladies, let's get into it. So I'm super excited on this day, but I'm also in a rush. I was intending to be out of the house like 5 minutes from this point, and I was literally just putting on my wig. So watch me make magic. This is a wig and the inside construction of the cap. It does include that adjustable elastic band as we like. And then, of course, this is what it looks like on. Can you see that parting in detail? It comes literally with the perfect curved side parting. I can't get this perfect on my own if I tried with all my might. So here I am just in a maze, and I'm showing you guys a full view of what the hair looks like from the front, the back, and also including a close-up of the hairline. Again, I'm amazed at how gorgeous this parting is, and then the lace is super fire as well. I almost made a mistake. I'm moving so fast. I almost used the scissors and cut my hair when I was trying to put a clip in to pull the hair back, but we did remove the lace quickly, and I like the way the lace and the wig itself sits on my hairline. It's giving. I'm going to be able to melt it down, and then after I melt it down and kind of get it, warmed up to my hair, I'll be able to pop it on like school days and early morning days without any additional adhesive, and it'll just sit on my head perfectly in glueless. I'm going to also take care of my sideburns. It's always important that if your sideburns are going to peek through, you make sure that they are nice and snatched. I did opt for a little piece of like baby hair right here. I thought it would complement the hairline really nicely, and it definitely did. And I did not do it on the opposite side, which I definitely can later down the road. But typically, if I'm going to do baby hair on one side and then the other side has a bang, the bang will kind of like rub against it and it'll just move anyways. So you can see I was naturally going to do it, but I'll wait till a day when I switch to parting and make it all match. So after that, I went ahead and added the melt belt, and I went ahead and blow dried it down. I needed it to melt quick, fast, in a hurry. So blow dryer on a high heat setting kind of sped the process up. Now that the hairline is perfect, I'm just going to go in with the wax and the electric hot comb, and I'm going to hit it with that dynamic duo. I want everything to look nice, smooth, and sleek. I knew at this point that I wasn't going to have time to do much to the ends, so whenever you're going to like leave the ends as is, as long as the hairline is flawless and that part and that parting are flawless, it just gives that's the look you were going for. But if I have to choose between like curling the hair and making sure that hairline is snatched, I'm gonna choose the hairline and the parting every single time, because that just literally makes the difference. And then I went in with a little bit of that hairspray, and I like this because it kind of helps to make it kind of look frozen a little bit in the front to make that perfect waterfall that I like so much. Now that I have it how I want it, I did go in and add some more of that hairspray, and this is like a light hold hairspray. I find that when you hairspray the curls that come straight out of the box, they kind of help them to maintain a little bit better, although I did forget to do this before I put the wig on. So before you put your wig on, add a little bit of like Sebastian Shapers or that bed head, any kind of flex hold hairspray really quickly, and that way it'll make it so that you don't have to do much to the curls. And so again, I knew I was going to be photographed and on video and just, in a room with a lot of people. So I did want to kind of give the hair a little TLC. So it's always best if you got to choose like one little space to touch up, always go for that bang. That bang always should be giving, everything and above. And then from there, I just kept going. So you're going to see I'm going to do a couple pieces on this side, and then I'm going to do a couple pieces on the opposite side. And all in all, this one came out amazing. If I did not mention, this is the PartingMax Glueless Loose Wave If I did not mention, this one is a PartingMax Glueless Loose Body Wave Wig. The closure is a 7x6 lace closure. Of course, it's HD lace because Luvme Hair always does it the best. And of course, the hairline is pre-plucked and the knots are pre-bleached and everything literally was ready to go. You can also get this one in 3 colors, including the natural black. You can also get the natural black with a layered cut, and then you can also get an ombre brown. So definitely check out for those options in that link down below. And of course, you can choose your length from 12 inches all the way up to 28 inches so that you can definitely get the look and the vibe you're going for. Now that I'm done, I'm going to hit it with a little bit more of that hairspray, and I kind of didn't want to brush out the curls. I wanted to just move on and then do it like brush them out in the car, but I decided to kind of comb them out so you can see what we're working with. But also don't forget to tint the lace. I'm going in with a darker shade in that Ruby Kisses. I believe this is a 16 in the mineral powder, and I use that same powder in the parting as well as the hairline, and I actually liked it in the parting a whole lot. Now we're going to brush out the curls, and as you guys can see, we are absolutely flawless. Okay, this is the look, ladies and gentlemen. I'm headed to my baby's first, Dakota's 4th recital and Dominic's 3rd recital. And I am super excited, but we are, of course, on CP time, which means I am running late. It is 1:30. I wanted to leave by 1:30, and I still have to do their hair and makeup. So needless to say, this is all I'm gonna say for now. The hair is absolutely beautiful. I picked the right choice using my Luvme Hair for a beautiful day like today. Definitely is going to give me super great pictures as I get some BTS with the girls. But of course, as usual, I will come back after the recital and I will show you guys the beautiful packaging and all the goodies inside, and give you the deets on it. So this is the hair for now. I'm gonna go ahead and put a milk belt on to save me until we get there so that my hair can be laid, even though I'm about to sweat my tail off doing 2 girls makeup and hair and fighting with traffic. But you guys see the curls held up. I just touched up a few because again, we have an hour drive to get there, and like an hour and a half we're gonna have to wait until like behind the scenes backstage to just hang out, and we have to be there all night. So I wanted to make sure that everything was super fire, because again, I'm gonna get tons of pictures of the girls and me and behind the scene video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Smooches.